dice the onion and sauté it in a pan with a little water and salt until caramelized. Then, add the grated mushroom and sauté. After the mushroom's water has evaporated, add some olive oil and continue to sauté. Add the sliced bacon strips and sauté. Now, add the chopped olives, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes, and sauté. Then, add the milk and cream and mix well. Add the cooked and drained fettuccine along with the thyme powder and mix everything together. Serve the pasta in a dish and garnish with cherry tomatoes. Enjoy!